Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of coins and uncovering the true value of a small yet iconic piece of currency, the Australia 5 cents coin from 1978, especially in very fine condition. At first glance, this coin might seem ordinary, something you could easily overlook in your pocket change. But once you understand its history, design, and collector appeal, you'll see why it holds a special place in the hearts of coin enthusiasts. Let's begin with the history behind this coin. The 5 cents coin is part of the decimal currency system introduced in Australia in 1966, replacing the old pound system. By 1978, this coin had already become a familiar part of everyday transactions across the country. What makes the 1978 issue interesting is that it reflects a period when coin production was steady and millions were minted to meet circulation demand. Although it was not a rare year in terms of mintage, coins from this era still carry historical charm, especially when preserved in better condition. Now let's talk about the design and composition, which is often a major attraction for collectors. The Australia 5 cents coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, designed by Arnold Machine. Her elegant profile gives the coin a timeless and regal appearance. On the reverse side, you'll find the iconic echidna, a native Australian animal known for its unique spiny appearance. This design was created by Stuart Devlin and has remained one of the most recognizable images in Australian coinage. In terms of composition, the coin is made from cupronickel, which is a blend of. This composition gives the coin durability and resistance to corrosion, allowing many pieces from 1978 to survive in decent condition even today. The coin weighs and has a diameter of making it small but sturdy. When we describe a coin as being in very fine condition, it means that the coin has seen some circulation but still retains clear details. The main design elements are visible, though there may be light wear on the higher points, such as the echidna's spines or the queen's hair. Importantly, the coin is still attractive and collectible, with no major damage or heavy scratches. Now let's explore collector demand, which plays a big role in determining value. While the 1978 Australian 5 cents coin is not considered rare, there is still steady interest from collectors, especially those who are building complete date sets of Australian coins. Many collectors enjoy finding coins from each year, and having one in very fine condition adds value to their collection. Additionally, beginner collectors often look for affordable coins like this one to start their journey, which keeps demand alive in the market. Moving on to the current market value, this is where things get interesting. In very fine condition, the Australia 5 cents 1978 coin typically has a modest value. As of today, its market value generally ranges between $1,020,000 to $50,000. While this might not seem like a high price, it's important to remember that value can vary depending on factors such as exact condition, luster, and whether the coin has any unique features or errors. Coins in higher grades, such as extremely fine or uncirculated, can fetch higher prices. For collectors, there are always opportunities to increase value over time. This brings us to some helpful tips for coin enthusiasts. Always store your coins properly in protective holders or albums to prevent damage. Avoid cleaning your coins, as this can reduce their value significantly. Try to learn grading standards so you can accurately assess the condition of your coins. And most importantly, stay patient and enjoy the process of collecting, because sometimes even the smallest coins can become meaningful pieces of history. As we come to the conclusion, the Australia 5 cents coin from 1978 in very fine condition may not be a rare treasure in terms of monetary value, but it carries historical significance, beautiful design, and a steady place in the collector market. It serves as a reminder that coin collecting is not just about high prices, but about appreciating history, craftsmanship, and the stories behind each piece. So next time you come across a simple 5 cents coin, take a closer look. You might just be holding a small piece of Australia's rich numismatic heritage. Next up, today's video, we're going to explore the history, condition, composition, collector demand, and most importantly, the current market value of the 2000 Australian 5 cent coin in very fine condition. Let's begin with the history of this coin. The Australian 5 cents coin was first introduced in 1966 when Australia transitioned to decimal currency. By the year 2000, the coin had already become a familiar part of everyday transactions across the country. The design features the iconic echidna, one of Australia's most unique native animals, created by renowned designer Stuart Devlin. The obverse side carries the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, symbolizing Australia's connection to the British monarchy. The year 2000 is also significant because it marked the new millennium, adding a subtle historical importance to coins minted during this time. Now let's talk about the condition of the coin. A very fine condition of coin means that it has been in circulation but still retains many of its original details. You can expect some light wear on the high points, such as the echidna's spines and the queen's portrait, but the overall design remains clear and attractive. Coins in very fine condition are quite desirable because they strike a balance between affordability and collectability. Moving on to the background and composition, the Australian 5-cent coin is made of cupronickel, which is an alloy of. It has a round shape with a standard diameter of, and weighs approximately. This durable composition ensures that the coin can withstand years of circulation while still maintaining its structure. The edge of the coin is smooth, giving it a simple yet elegant appearance. When it comes to collector demand, the 2000 Australian 5-cent coin holds a steady place in the numismatic market. While it is not considered extremely rare due to its relatively high mintage, collectors still appreciate it as part of a complete date set. Its millennium year adds a layer of interest, especially for collectors who focus on coins from significant years. Demand tends to increase when the coin is found in higher grades or in uncirculated condition, but even very fine examples are appreciated by beginner and intermediate collectors. Now let's discuss the current market value. As of today, a 2000 Australian 5-cent coin in very fine condition typically ranges between $145,000 to $175,000. The value may vary slightly depending on the coin's exact condition, luster, and market trends. While this may seem like a small amount, it's important to remember that coin collecting is not just about high prices, but about the history and enjoyment each piece brings. For those of you interested in collecting, here are some helpful tips to keep in mind. Always examine the coin carefully under good lighting to assess its true condition. Store your coins in protective holders to prevent further wear or damage. It's also a great idea to research and compare prices from different sources before making any buying or selling decisions. Building a collection gradually and focusing on quality can make your journey much more rewarding. As we come to the conclusion, the Australia 5 cents coin from the year 2000 in very fine condition is a wonderful example of how even the smallest coins can carry historical and collectible value. It may not be rare or highly expensive, but it holds its own charm and significance in the world of numismatics. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced collector, this coin is a great addition to any collection and a reminder that every coin has a story worth telling. Next up, today, we're going to explore its history, condition, composition, collector demand, and most importantly, its current market value in dollars. Let's begin with the history of the 1968 Australian 5 cents coin. Australia officially transitioned to decimal currency in 1966, replacing the old pounds, shillings, and pence system. This made coins like the 5 cents an essential part of everyday transactions. By 1968, the mint continued producing these coins to meet circulation needs, and millions were released into the public. Even though it was a common coin at the time, today it represents one of the early years of Australia's decimal coinage, which adds to its historical importance. Now, when we talk about condition, the term very fine plays a crucial role. A 1968 Australian 5 cents coin in very fine condition means it has been circulated but still retains a good amount of detail. The design elements are clear, although slightly worn. The edges may show some smoothness, and the overall appearance remains attractive. For collectors, this condition is quite desirable because it balances affordability with visible historical character. It tells a story of real use while still preserving enough detail to appreciate its design. Moving on to the background and composition of the coin, The Australian 5 cents coin is made from cupronickel, which is a blend of copper and nickel. This gives the coin its silver-like appearance and durability. The coin features the iconic echidna on the reverse side, a native Australian animal that adds a strong national identity to the design. The obverse side traditionally features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, reflecting Australia's connection to the British monarchy at the time. The coin's solid composition ensures that even decades later, many examples remain in decent condition, which is great news for collectors. Now let's talk about collector demand. The 1968 Australian 5 cents coin is not considered rare in general, but its demand depends heavily on condition and collector interest in early decimal coins. Many beginners in coin collecting start with coins like this because they are affordable and easy to find. At the same time, experienced collectors often seek higher-grade versions to complete their collections. The nostalgia factor also plays a role, as older generations may remember using these coins in daily life, making them emotionally valuable as well. Coming to the most important part, the current market value of a 1968 Australian 5 cents coin in very fine condition. As of today, this coin typically holds a value of around $2,045,000 to $2,060,000, depending on its exact condition, shine, and any unique features. While this may not seem like a high price, the real value lies in its historical significance and collectability. Coins in better condition, such as extremely fine or uncirculated, can fetch higher prices, sometimes reaching $345,000. For those who are interested in collecting, there are some simple but powerful tips to keep in mind. Always handle your coins carefully and avoid touching the surface directly, as oils from your fingers can affect the coin's condition. Store your coins in protective holders or albums to prevent scratches and environmental damage. It's also a good idea to learn how to grade coins properly, as this will help you understand their true value. Patience is key in coin collecting, as building a meaningful collection takes time and dedication. As we come to the conclusion, the Australia 5 cents 1968 coin may be small in size and value, but it carries a rich story from the early days of decimal currency. For collectors, it offers an affordable entry point into the world of numismatics, while still holding historical and sentimental value. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced collector, this coin is a wonderful reminder that even the simplest pieces of currency can hold a meaningful place in history. So next time you come across a 1968 Australian 5 cents coin, take a closer look. You might just be holding a small but valuable piece of the past. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy learning about coins and their values, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content.